Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are going to be learning about JavaScript, and I've basically started a series of lecture where we are going to learn about JavaScript from basics to advanced concepts. So I hope you will enjoy the video and it would be helpful for you. So let's get started. Then we have operators. We can use a lot of operators like in any other language. This is the list of operators that we can use in JavaScript. For addition, it is plus, minus, multiplication, division. For modulus, we have this percentage sign. For increment, plus plus. For decrement, minus minus. And in the same way, we have assignment operator. Plus is equal to is assignment operator, equal to is assignment operator. And if you want to check in an if condition whether one element is equal to the other element, you will write double equal, two equals, right? And these are comparison operators, assignment operators. These are all assignment operators: equal, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, divide equal to, percentage equal to. Then you have this comparison operators to make comparison between two values. If you want to check whether two values are equal, you will write equal equal to. For not equal to, you will write exclamation equal to, greater, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, is equal to, and the same time this you don't need to do it. Okay, so first 6 are enough for you. And then we have the logical operators right here, the and operator, or operator, and the not operator. So you can use all these in your if statements and wherever you want to use. And basically and means that both the conditions are true, or means that any one of the condition is true right here, and not means that this j is equal to k is false. It means not. Today we'll be talking about variable increment and decrement. That's how you increment and decrement variables in JavaScript. And if you want to increment more than one, these will be incrementing by 1, decrementing by 1. And if you want more than more increment, more decrement, you can use this. Plus is equal to 22, plus is equal to 2, and so on. That's how you can do. Then we have here string concatenation. For example, we have to concatenate or join multiple strings, or a string with a variable, and so on. We can do it by using this plus operator. What it will do, document.write, you have plus, this is a variable, plus this is a string. So if you want to join multiple strings, multiple variables, strings and variables, you can use this concatenation. Instead of writing multiple document.write statements, you will write one statement and you will use this concatenation operator. Now this is the output. You have 3 messages. This you have comes here plus messages. The messages variable was initialized with 3 and messages as it is. So you have 3 messages. You can add any numeric value to a variable, and so on. Here we have escape sequence characters, which you can use. For example, if we use /b, it will give in the output a backspace. Then we have /n for new line, it's very important. /r for carriage return, /t for tab. You want to give single quote, you can use this. You want to give double quotes, you can do this, and so on. Inside the double quotes, when you are using document.write, inside the quotes you can give.